Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 4th, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash today and give you all the trading strategies to where I'm looking for the market to go. You guys can see already on my chart, I do price predictions. Yeah, I try to come through and inform everyone within my community as to where I'm looking for these cryptocurrencies to go without the confusion. So today's the first time ever seeing my content. Go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel because I definitely want to make sure that you and I are in a very good position to profit. Take a look. I did a video in Bitcoin Cash right here on April the 8th. You guys can see it's still available here on the price chart, of which I was telling everyone at that moment in time to be prepared for the price to go lower. And needless to say, it did. So congratulations to those who also predicted the same type of price action in Bitcoin Cash, because you actually called it. That's almost around 15% profitability from April the 8th till April the 30th. Good call. So now that's done, that is over, and I'm just going to zoom out real quick because I want to show you all that this market in Bitcoin Cash is not really doing too much, right? It's just bouncing in between those two horizontal lines that I got drawn on my chart. That's it. That's it. Now you guys can also tell though, for the majority of the time that Bitcoin Cash has been trading within these two lines from beginning of the year to today's date, the market has been really hovering around the support area. We need to really talk about that because it lets us know whether or not the market buyers are there. Are they winning, or are the sellers really trying to push down pressure in Bitcoin Cash to where they want to break it to the downside of $265? Notice how close the market buyers are there. So far, that's a very good signal for us to know that buyers are still in control around $265. Right? We don't want to see any bouts of weakness trying to come through, trying to break price below this lower end horizontal line, because once that occurs, then we now know that the market in Bitcoin Cash is still massively weak. Because I don't want to set the expectations and act like the market in Bitcoin Cash is not in a downturn, because it is. This overall trend into the market in Bitcoin Cash is still one of weakness, albeit there's a whole lot of price action here in the background of the chart. So if the market in Bitcoin Cash really was weak, it would have to literally take out all of these levels, all of these trades that occurred here back in 2019 to 2020. It would have to take that level out. So let's try to figure out what's been going on from a longer term perspective first. So let's go ahead and look at this on the monthly chart. Okay. Because what occurred over the last couple of months was not a good month. Last month was not positive for Bitcoin Cash. Look at that. We should not have seen this monthly price bar be created from the prior 2 months, right? The month of February and the month of March were definitely signals that buyers were controlling the space, that they was trying to lift up Bitcoin's cash price, but we didn't get the follow through. The next month, right here in April, price came right back down here towards support. So what does it mean? Well, it still means that the market is weak in Bitcoin Cash. The only thing that the market has going for itself, for those looking for Bitcoin Cash price to go up, is for it to hold $265. That's it. This is Bitcoin Cash on the 5 weeks. Okay, so I really don't see a lot. I really don't see too much really going on to this market for Bitcoin Cash as of right now from a long-term perspective, but we're definitely seeing this market trend lower. Okay, we should have saw the market in Bitcoin Cash after the completion of this 2-weekly price bar go up on this 2-weekly price bar, which began on March 28, 2022. That this should have been a follow on, but it didn't happen. The price came down instead. Okay, last week. So am I bullish into the market in Bitcoin Cash? No. Am I bearish into the market in Bitcoin Cash? No. When I usually see these type of markets, I usually don't try to come through and try to do a price prediction because the market is not really giving us a biased direction. It is just trading. That's it. It's just bouncing in between these two lines here. Bitcoin Cash on the 5-day, right? Everyone sees the same type of information. So it's not like people don't know that the market needs to hold $265. It's not like people don't know that. They do. Those who are interested in Bitcoin Cash know that price needs to hold $265. This is it on a 3-day time frame. Okay. This is Bitcoin Cash on the 2-day. Daily. So let's go ahead and look at this on the hourly time frame. First, let's try to see what we got. Okay. Because if the market in Bitcoin Cash is not massively bullish, we shouldn't be bullish. If the cryptocurrency doesn't look massively strong, then we shouldn't be, bearish, then we shouldn't be massively bearish. I really don't see nothing here. Okay. So you guys can see we've been a pretty sustained downtrend. So, naturally, the ebbs and flow of the market, you will need to see the market in Bitcoin Cash eventually trying to make a pop, trying to make a move higher, right? We need to see that. So this might just be a very small move higher. Yeah, if I were to put on a price prediction, this is one to where it will not be long lived. It will be a very short price prediction to look for the market in Bitcoin Cash, possibly to go to 300, right? My first area would be like 291. Price is already at 287. That's only like 1.71%. Like, that's not even really worth putting on a price prediction. If we're able to break past 291, then yeah, 300 would be the next level, which is only 4.5%. Right? So this market is not really giving me too much information. We definitely understand we're in a downtrend. We definitely know that the market needs to hold 265, 260. It's been doing that successfully. And I also like this area too. You guys can see that the market is trying to bounce off of 280 in Bitcoin Cash. So when you see this type of information, there's no reason for us to not think currently that the market is not going to hold $260 or $280. There's no reason for us to not think that right now. We are already seeing the formation of the market in Bitcoin Cash holding at 280 right now. So I might leave this up to you all. I might want you all to drop a comment in the comment section and tell everyone, where do you suspect the market price in Bitcoin Cash is going to go? Right? I'm not seeing too much. Like I said, I could put on a price prediction looking for the price in Bitcoin Cash to go up. But like I said, $290 to $300 would be those areas that I would be looking for sellers to try to come back in. And that's probably about it. So what do you think? I'm not going to drop a price prediction on, and I know that the title of the video reads a trading strategy, and this is a trading strategy, right? If you don't see a play, if you don't see any opportunity that leans in your favor, then guess what? The trading strategy is no trading strategy. You don't come in and drop a price prediction. You don't come in and set an expectation as to whether or not you think Bitcoin Cash is going to go up or go down. At certain points, markets don't need to be traded. If it's not in your favor, don't trade it. If you cannot get a clear picture or expectation as to where you think price is going to go, don't trade it. That's the strategy. You need to sit back, chill out, and once the market actually gives us a direction, once it actually lets us know that it wants to go up or even go down and break $260, then we'll jump back in. Right now, I don't see that yet. Okay. Not yet. Now, one thing I do say, like I said, I do see the market going up, but I'm not going to drop a price prediction because of where I think the sellers are going to be. Because I'm already looking at $290, $300 as those initial areas that we can see sellers come through. Okay. And that's only what? 1.71% for it to go to 290, and for it to go to 300 is like 4.45%. There's no need for me to drop a price prediction for that. So I'll go ahead and leave it up to you all. Where do you think the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to go next? All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.